Hi everybody, it's me Donna, the Crochet Queen. I'm sitting in my chair. I'm crocheting. Look, I'm working on this little bag. I finally figured it out. I put little flowers on the side of it, on the drawstring. One still got to be fixed, and I'm put this white star in the middle, and I think that'll look nice. And then it has drawstrings. I think it'll be good. I hope my drawstrings aren't too long. I hope not anyway. Yeah. There we go. And it's a little bag. It's cute. I think it's cute. Anyway, look, my eyeglasses are in this thing I bought last year for Halloween. I only paid $3 for it, but I thought it would be. I thought this little bag would make like a nice pattern for crocheting a little one with a zipper. And I did find all the zippers, so that's good. So I know where the zippers are. I'll put my glasses on so you all can see me really good. And I got some water sitting beside me. So that's pretty good. I need to crochet more. I'm making cushions. I'm going to stick it in the chair when I get done. It's not done yet. This is it so far. It's going to be round. It's going to be round cushion. Look. It's going to be nice. It's round. Just stick it in a chair. It'll be cool. We like it. It's going to be cool when I get it done. It's going to be nice. I'm gonna use some old pillows to stuff it with though. That's what I'm gonna do, and then it's gonna go in the chair. Yeah, it's got brown and orange. Brown and orange. I think that's nice colors. It should be good when I get it done. I'm a crochet lady. Crochet lady! Donna's crocheting today. Anyway. So I'm just doing double crochet on it. I did 8 to start it. I did 4 chains, and I connected my 4 chains together, and then I put 8 in the loop, in the hole. I think that's good. I'm still working on it. I gotta figure out how much more bigger it should be. And then I got to make a second one like this one. So that should be good. And today is just a lazy Sunday. I haven't done a video for a while. It's been bad. I'm sorry. Yeah. This is the yarn I got from the Dollar Tree that was $5, and they're still making a lot of stuff. But I wish they had some more, because I would go get another ball. Yeah. I'm doing double crochet. Double crochet. And I got all these ends to tie in. I haven't done that yet. I usually do that at the end. In case I don't like it, I can still get it out and use my yarn. That's my plan. God, stop yawning. Oh, and this morning we had a hurricane, so that's over with, thank God. But it didn't wreck anything, thank goodness for that. But they did have a hurricane this morning. And it's late in the season, too, for getting a hurricane. Late in the season to be getting that. Yeah. Yep, it is. 'Cause 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 it So anyway, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. I would like to be able to do a live, but I haven't done a live yet. I think I tried a couple times to do a live, but I really haven't done that. I know everybody crochets different. Everybody crochets differently. Yep. See, I take my time when I crochet. I'm not a super fast crocheter, but I just take my time. I enjoy crocheting, so I just take my time with it. Yeah, take my time. Oh boy. I wasn't sure what I was going to do when I first started this for the cushion, but now I think I know. I hope I know. And I found an old pillowcase that's dark in the bedroom, so I'm going to use that for to put it in here, and then with all the stuffing. That's what I'm going to do. Instead of wasting stuff. I don't want white because you would probably be able to see it through the crochet work I did, and I don't want that. So I'm going to do something. I'm going to put something dark inside. And these are like earthy colors. Like brown and orange are like earthy colors, so that's pretty cool. I like earthy colors. When I was young, I wore a lot of earthy colors. I don't know what it was. I wore a lot of earthy colors. No, a lot of earthy colors. Well, I want to show you my pumpkins. I made a couple more. I'm going to probably make some more if I have some of this yarn left. I'm probably going to make some more. I don't know yet how much I'm going to have left because I got to make another one of these. Put two together, and that'll be one cushion. It's cool. Two together. Yarn lady here. I'm the yarn lady, the crochet lady, the lady that likes to crochet. The fan's on. You probably can hear it. It doesn't feel bad in here. It's not real hot. You know, the temperatures went down a lot, which is kind of nice. But I haven't done a video for a while. I think it's almost been 5 days. I used to do them when I went shopping and stuff, but a lot of times when I go shopping, they're playing music in the store, and I don't want to get copyright, so I haven't been doing them. Or I'm with somebody, and you know they want to hurry up and get through the store, and they're like, "You give me 30 minutes to go shopping." What is 30 minutes to go shopping? No time at all. And you're seeing stuff, but you don't want to get people in your videos, so you're kind of like, "Nah, I won't do a video today. I won't." And then sometimes, like around here, I just don't have nothing to say. I mean, so that's why my videos, and I'm not good like to say, oh, my videos are going to be on Tuesday and Thursday, or Tuesday and Friday, or something like that. I just don't know for sure when my video is going to be up. I don't know exactly And then I have to come up with ideas of what to say and stuff like that. And so you don't always get a video from me. And then I gotta say, oh my God, is my phone even charged to do a video? Is it? No, it's not. So it's not gonna get a video today. So anyway, my nose is running. Where's my Kleenex? Right here. Right here. My Kleenex. Oh, my nose. My nose is running. My sinuses. Man, they're kicking my butt. Look, 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 look. Oh my goodness, what's in the book? Look, here is the pumpkin. Look, look at all of them. There's a bunch of them. But look, I got like 2 of them that have like, they have bags in them. Look, this one here has bags in it. You know, like the plastic bags that you get from the grocery store. Because it's not like I'm going to wash them or anything like that. They're just for like the holiday, and there's like no kids going to play with them. So anyway, so here's the other one. This one has bags in it too. But these other ones here, they just got stuffing in them. This one here has stuffing in it. It's cute. And this one has stuffing in it. It's little. It's cute. I got some different size ones. Look, I got some pink ones there. Aren't they cute? They're little pink. They're so little. I got little ones and big ones. I got different sizes. Look, this here. And I got this color. I thought that was cute. And this is a different shade of pink here. Oh, it's pretty. Look, and I got this little pumpkin. Isn't he cute? He's just a little old pumpkin. He's a bright orange one. And look, I got this big one. Look at this big one. Oh my God. He is so cute too. I don't know. This is so cute. Cute pumpkins. Pumpkins. Stick them back in this bag. So that way nothing messes with them. They don't get dirty. I bought these bags at the Dollar Tree, which is cool. Anyway, so that's what that is there. That is got coupled with trash, those little trash bags that they give you at the grocery, at the stores. I think that's cool. I'm recycling. I like recycling. I really do. Oh. My pumpkin, my cushion here. This is going to be a cushion. And I'm going to use an old pillow and stuff it with an old pillow. That's what my plan is. Stuff it with an old pillow. Yeah. Instead of wasting it and throwing it in the landfill. I don't like the idea that everything goes into the landfill. I don't like that at all. You need to recycle if you can. I don't like the idea of stuff going into the landfill. Yeah, like they've got people, they redo wood and stuff. I thought that was pretty cool. Instead of it going into the landfill, they redo it, they reuse it. Because right now, wood is so expensive. If you can reuse some of your wood, you're doing good, you know, instead of throwing it into the landfill. You know, or old clothes. If you can recycle old clothes, you know, maybe you know somebody who needs some clothes and you're the same size or something. Or they got kids and you got kids and your kids outgrown them. That's nice. I like that. That's really good. I think that's cool. I like that. there's a lot of ways to recycle. I really like that. There's a lot of ways to recycle. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a really good day today, a really good Sunday. You know, that you're doing stuff that's fun and happy and all that stuff. That would be really nice. I would like that a lot. I still wanna I still wanna do I still wanna be a vendor. I don't know. I would like that, to be a vendor. To sell some of my crochet stuff. I think that would be so cool. I would like that. But like that one place I was telling you about, they had like, I think there was like 15 of them. They had like 15 vendors there. I don't even know if they sold that much of their stuff because their prices weren't cheap, that's for sure. And I don't think the economy is so great right now because of the government shutdown. I think they should get back to work because, you know, you can't even do anything. If you need anything done with the government, you can forget it right now. I don't think that's fair. I think they should get their butts back to work. If they're not going to be working, we should dock their pay. They could dock their pay and not give them so much money. Dock their pay. Do they still get the same paycheck? I mean, they haven't been to work for over a month. And maybe they should dock their paychecks. See how they like that. Yeah. I'm thinking about making different colors of these. I think that would be cool. Different colors. I don't know. We'll see. I was supposed to be doing some other stuff too, but I haven't done it yet. No, I haven't. I gotta see how big I need this. See, I need to see how big I need it because it's gonna go in a chair. Yeah, that's what it's gonna do. It's gonna go in a chair, and so you can be up higher because the table's high but the chairs are low. Yeah, that's real smart. But anyway, I'm just gonna take a break. Hopefully everything's right. This is my plan. It's Sunday. Could have went to church, but I didn't. Anyway, so I'm a crochet lady. I'm a crochet lady. Yeah. It's a beautiful morning. Beautiful. I got some orange doing around here somewhere. Oh, I think it's in this thing here. Let's see, it's a round ball. Big round ball. Oh well. Sorry about that. Anyway. I don't know if my thing is big enough and I don't feel like going all the way over there just to check. It's a beautiful morning. It's so pretty outside. It's nice and cool. And we didn't get flooded, thank goodness. I'm so happy about that. That's wonderful that we did not get flooded. Yeah. Mm. I really like that we did not get flooded. I still have some more plastic trash bags, so that's pretty cool. So if I make a couple more pumpkins, I can put some more trash bags in there. I think that's cool. You just can't you just can't wash them when they're like that, because I don't know what that would do because it's trash bags. But they're cool. They're cool. Booty's sleeping. The little doggy, he's asleep. I think I have plenty of light. You guys, can you hear me really good? Because I was thinking about getting a little speaker to go with my cell phone so you could hear me better, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna or not. So, I was really bad this month. I've been bad this month with my finances, and I need to chill out. I need to chill out. Spend money. Spend money. Yes. This is pink. And we got some white around here somewhere. Oh, there it is. There's a white. There's a white. We can make another pumpkin. I've been mixing white and different colors together to get the to make the pumpkins a little different. And I think that's pretty cool. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make one more little pumpkin. I'll use this needle here that I was using on the other thing. I'm a mess. I'm a mess. I need to get my butt in gear. I want to do a sale. I would like to do a sale. I would like to sell some stuff that I made. But I don't know how I'm going to do that. Because I don't have a table. I don't have chairs. I don't have a tent. Because I need transportation to get over there and back. But I really would like to sell some stuff. I think it'd be fun. I really like people. I really do. I used to enjoy I did some shows in Maryland and stuff. And I really enjoyed that. And I really liked it when people bought my stuff. It made me feel so good. I was really happy and everything. It was just really nice. I really liked it. It was like, thank you, God. And then the people were really nice. And they tell me how happy they were that they bought my stuff that I made, you know. And I thought that was so cool. Yeah. They tell me what they were going to do with the stuff too. I thought that was cool too. They were really nice. I really liked it. It was fun. And it was fun. And sometimes I did it with my daughter too. Me and her would do it together. And they would help me with the setup and stuff, put up the tent and my chairs and all that stuff. And I had a little car and I could get around and stuff, which was kind of cool. And I really liked it. And my car, I had a little car, but man, I could load my car up. I loaded all my boxes up. I had all my stuff in the car. I had my tent. I had my chairs. I had my table in there. I had all my stuff in there. I was like, yeah, I was doing really good. And then things changed, and then nothing was the same ever again. It's sad. This life changes. It's not the same anymore, and it sucks sometimes. Sometimes you want change, and other times you don't. But Oh well, what do you do? That's life. Things don't stay the same. Yeah, it's sad. You hate it. It's like, oh no, oh no. Then I was living with my daughter, and I had a bunch of noisy people in the house and stuff. Oh my god, I got sick like 2 times there. I was really sick. I had the flu like 2 times. It was sucky. Oh my god. I was so sick. You talk about somebody sick. Oh Lord. And then people were in my stuff. It wasn't nice. And they it was horrible. That was bad. It was bad. And then people played crazy music. The music was crazy that they played. They had a cold in there, and my arthritis would kick in. It was bad. Lord, that was so rotten. I kind of missed my apartment in Meadowwood. Meadowwood was cool. I lived in Edgewood, Harford County, and I lived in Edgewood, and I had a big old townhouse. It was cool. I had a nice closet downstairs. It was so cool. But I was raising my grandson, and I was worried about him getting in fights with other kids and stuff. And the school system wasn't that great there. So then I moved to Bel Air. Bel Air was cool. I liked Bel Air. It was fun. And I went to college in Bel Air and stuff, and I really had fun in Bel Air. And I was, but that ended. My grandson, he moved in with his daddy because my daughter had died and stuff. Well, he moved in Edgewood with me. Well, after he had moved in there before his mommy died with me, and I didn't want to live by myself. Oh my God, no, I didn't want to live by myself. I didn't like that idea at all. Got to have somebody with you. What if you get sick or something? You need somebody to help you out. Yeah. And in Edgewood, when I lived in Edgewood, all the stores were closed. You could get to stores and stuff. Even if you didn't have a car, you could still get to the grocery store and stuff, which was nice. But yeah. Then I moved to Bel Air. Bel Air, they had a lot of stores in Bel Air too, which was kind of cool. But if you go up higher, you're in the country. You're in the country, not in the suburb anymore. Or Edgewood's almost like a city now. Yeah. And they had a hospital in Bel Air. They had a hospital in Havre de Grace too. And but they closed that hospital down, and now they just have the one in Bel Air. Anyway, so, and my mom lived in Bel Air, and I used to go over and visit her, which I miss my mom. Oh my God, do I miss my mom. Used to go over there and visit her and stuff, and hang out with her and everything. That was nice. I miss my mom. My Aunt Mary lived in Bel Air. I used to go visit her because her and my mom lived in the same area and everything, which was really nice. Really miss them. All my mom's sisters are gone but 2 now. That's sad. My mom had like 9 sisters and 1 brother. And the brother, he's gone too. He lived up in the country. He lived up in the country. Anyway, I really do miss them. I really do. guess so. Anyway, I missed them. Oh, I don't like that. Okay. Now, return to work. This is going to be a pumpkin. But it's a beautiful day today. If I get my cushion made, I would like that a lot. That'd be cool. I'll show it to you when I get it done. But it's going to go in the chair in the kitchen, on the kitchen. The chairs are low, but the table is high. So I figure if I put a cushion in the chair, then I'll be up higher. Hopefully that works. I don't know. We'll see. I went to Ollie's and they had another one of these stands, right? But it was a circle, not a circle. It was a heart one, and I left it there. I was thinking, man, I already bought this one, but then I thought about giving this one to my granddaughter, or, you know, because they like to make videos too, right? And getting the other one, but I don't know if it's still there or not, and I don't know. We'll see. Maybe in November. But I try to budget, and I'm not doing very good this month with my budget. I'm not doing very good at all with my budget. I need to slow down. Because I went shopping too many times. Way too many times. And I need to behave myself. I really did. I like to win the lottery. I think that would be cool. If I won the lottery, oh my god, I would like it a lot. I win the lottery, oh my god, that'd be so cool. I would like it. Yeah, win the lottery. I would like it. What do you think? You think I win the lottery? It'd be cool. I would like it a lot. But you gotta be careful too, because a lot of those people that win the lottery, they go broke, and then they don't have any money left, and then if somebody kills them or something, that would be bad. Who wants to die because you won some money, you know? Yeah. And get me a house. I won the lottery. I'll get me a nice house. Yes. It'd be cool. I would like it. It'd be so fun. Get me a nice house. I would like it a lot. I have a yarn room, an art room, yarn art room. I would paint in there and draw and make stuff. Oh yeah, I would like that. I would like that a lot. It'd be fun. Oh yeah. It'd be so cool. Yes, it would. It would be so much fun. I would like it. I won the lottery. You get a decent person. Yeah. I mean, when you old and you have security and stuff, which is nice. I like security. Yeah. My granddad had security. He had Aunt Minnie and he took care of him. And he lived to be 101 and all that good stuff. Smart. My mom was smart. He had a place in Bel Air. It was a nice place. I liked it. He had it fixed all up. Cool. Crochet, crochet, crochet. They're just gonna be little. This is just gonna be a little pumpkin. Better. Yeah. Oh, I wanted to tell you something. Crochet Grandma, I think it's Crochet Grandma. She sent me a badge. Was really nice of her. I thought that was really nice of her, and I really liked that. It was a crochet Grandma. I think that's what it is. I think that's her. Anyway, her mom is sick, and I think she died. Yeah, it was sad. I miss my mom. And she wasn't on her channel for a while, but she's back now, so that's cool. I like that. I have to go over there and watch her videos. I usually watch her, and I watch Jen's videos, and I watch the yarn room. I watch her. Sometimes I watch cinnamon, the cinnamon lady. And who else do I watch? There's a couple of them I watch. Oh, and I watched the one from the Crazy Lamp Lady a couple times, where she was having problems with somebody. He was trespassing on her property and stuff. Uh, she's she still sells stuff. She sells stuff. She talking about how she sells stuff and everything. I thought that was really cool. Well, anyway, so I am crocheting today. I'm dry. I gotta get a drink of water. Drink of water, please. Yeah, so my hands are free now, so I can crochet and talk to you guys at the same time, which is kind of cool. I like that. Booty's sleeping. He's sleeping. I'm gonna eat some cookies. I got these little bitty bags of cookies. I got these from all day. Not all day. I got these from Ollie's. Ollie's. I like Ollie's. Man, they had a camera down there. I was looking at it because it took instant pictures. But I tried to look. I looked it up on my phone and I couldn't find it, so I didn't get that. But I thought it was cool. They had a couple speakers down there, but I don't know if they work with my cell phone or not. I don't want to put a lot of stuff on my cell phone because I want my videos to be good. Anyway, I'm going to end this today. I'm going to talk to you guys later. I hope you're having a really good Sunday. Yeah. So I really wanted the other stand. It had the heart on it, was really nice. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. I think it was smaller than this too. I think it was, I'm not sure. Because then I could stick it on a table and you could see me from the table. But the cushion, the chair is short. The chair is short, so I don't sit right when I'm trying to do videos when I use this stand. Okay, I love y'all. That's why I'm making a cushion for the chair. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. I love you now. I love you guys. Bye for now from your friend Donna, the Crochet Queen. Bye, everybody. Have a good day. Bye, everybody.